Start. The litigation has a checkered history full stop. The respondent number 5 had earlier been proceeded against and the principal of the institution had taken action and had not allowed the respondent number 5 to work in the institution. As a result whereof the district inspector of schools passed an order on 11/2/2003 calling upon the principal of the institution to allow the respondent number 5 to join and also to pay him salary from the date he joined full stop. The respondent number 5 had not received his salary in spite of this order dated 11/2/2003 and consequently he filed writ petition number 6193 of 2004 that was disposed of on 10/3/2006 holding that the respondent number 5 was nowhere at fault and therefore the order and direction by the district inspector of schools ought to be implemented. Full stop. The writ petition filed by the respondent number 5 was allowed with a direction that the respondent number 5 shall be allowed to join the institution and perform his duties and receive regular salary including arrears thereof. Full stop. It was however observed that in the event there was any charge of unauthorized absence or indiscipline, it was open to the authority to take any action permissible according to law. Full stop. Para. When the respondent number 5 did not receive the benefits of the said judgment, he filed contempt application being contempt application number 2190 of 2006. Full stop. During the pendency of contempt application, an affidavit was filed stating that the direction that was issued for compliance has been obeyed and salary has been paid to the respondent number 5 from January 1969 to March 2006. Full stop. It was however indicated therein that since an opportunity had been granted to take action against the respondent number 5, the principal of the institution, who is the appointing authority in terms of the regulations framed under the UP Intermediate Education Act 1921, sent a communication to the district inspector of schools terminating the services of the respondent number 5 on account of unauthorized absence. Full stop. The communication dated 15/4/2006 was treated to be a termination order. Full stop. The district inspector of schools is stated to have approved the same on 11/7/2006. Full stop. The respondent number 5 took a plea that he was not aware of any such intervening proceedings and on coming to know of the same on 23/8/2011 after the contempt application was disposed of, he filed writ petition number 5564 of 2012 that has given rise to the present appeal. Full stop. A prayer has been made in the writ petition for the quashing of the said termination order and approval order of the district inspector of schools. Full stop. It is evident that no interim order was passed in the writ petition at the stage of admission. Full stop. It is thereafter that the impugned interim order dated 23/3/2017 has been passed after the case was heard on 7/3/2017 and the matter was again fixed for 27/3/2012. Full stop. It is informed at the bar that no orders were passed and the case has been adjourned. Learned counsel for the appellant. Full stop.